We are on the fringes of Kaziranga National Park in Assam, touching National Highway 37. This is Hulok gibbon, India's only ape, and we are about to witness rare event of a male Hulok gibbon walking on the ground like humans in the wild. And we consider ourselves very lucky to be able to witness and film this event. Here in Assam, one of the strongholds of this species, Hulok gibbon is more popularly known as Hulu. Very few people are aware that such a species exists in India. Generally, they live in the top canopy of the forest and are truly arboreal in nature. However, on rare occasions, as is the case in this film, this gibbon walks across the ground in degraded habitat with gap in the canopy. Hulok gibbon not only resembles man in various aspects but also shares 95% of its genetic material with us. No wonder this gibbon is also known as the little man of the forest. Western Hulok gibbon's scientific name Hulok hulok has been categorized as endangered as per IUCN Red List. In the current scenario of large-scale destruction of forests, it is the noble duty of people from all walks of life to work for the conservation of this unique species. Thanks for watching Discover Wild India. Please like, share, comment and do subscribe.